Hello guys, this is Splash FX. Um, I want to show you down how I see the market, how I analyze the market. So let's go straight down to it. I understand that a lot of newbies, when people come to the markets, to the forex market, they see a lot of candlesticks. All these are candlesticks. I made this to look this way. When you open your chart, some are red and it's red and green and red candles. You're gonna see this one is. I did this myself. Yeah. So let me break it down how I see the market. Let's just keep it simple. Forex is not really complicated like the way it's been portrayed on. Okay. So I first of all, this on the 4 hour, I first of all go to the 4 hour time frame as a day trader. I don't like going too higher. I like catching few pips in the market. So this is the 4 hour time frame. I first of all mark off my zones, my major zones, major zones. There are many ways to mark up zones. But I'm not going into details of that now. This video is gonna be a little bit longer. So not bad. I should just manage it that way. Okay. I'm mapping up key levels. Key levels. Not key levels. Key levels. Key levels are where the markets reacted. Where the market has once reacted. I would have cloned this to. Let's just do it this way. Key levels. Key. So if you really don't see it clear in the market, you can just use the line chart. I mean, the line chart to help you see key levels, but it's gonna be a little bit complicated for you. Let's go. Just go with the candles and keep it simple. This is my key levels. The key levels must not be exactly your key levels. You just find what works. Mostly I use this just as for zones. So these my key levels. Then I'll scale down to the 1 minute, 1 hour time frame to adjust my key levels if at all I am not comfortable with what I see. I just leave it here for now like this. And I go down to the 15 minutes time frame. This is the 15 minutes time frame. The 15 minutes time frame. Yeah. So you must be wondering where are we and what are we what exactly are we here? Which like where is the market heading and where is it coming from? So like I said earlier, let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. I use the moving average and the market sections to know the day I am in and the section I'm in. So let me not just complicate it. Let's start from here. Let's go a little bit backward. So I use this as my direction on the 15 minutes time frame. At this point, the market is downtrending. Okay, it has started downtrending. This is where I had this crossover, but I'm not taking entries because of the crossover. So I move down to my 5 minutes time frame. Look, it's in this place. Yeah, here's it. This is my 5 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, this guy is downtrending, and on the 5 minutes time frame, it's downtrending. That means the market is going down. So we are only looking for sell setups. So at this point, I come here, take this zone, look for where the market shifts structure. After touching this 200 moving average, this way I'll start looking for. I don't care what the market is doing at this point. I don't care what it's doing at this point. I'll start looking for what the market will do for me when it's touching my 200 moving average. This is my 200 moving average. Say this is the high. It created a high, a low. It gave us another high. So I'll just use this. This is the oh god, this thing I'll not arrange this one. Okay, let's just use it like this. Then the market broke this guy here. This is the candle that broke. This candle here broke this low, which to me indicates that yeah, this guy is going down. So let's not just complicate it. It's not something to complicate. I take my sell here. SL at this point, and I'll target the next swing low. So there's it. Mostly I target 1:4. Mostly I target 1:4, 1:3. But due to my stop loss is a kind of high, so it's not going to give me what I want. So I just prefer targeting this swing low so that I won't get missed out on the trade. So there's it. This is how I find trades. Then look at the next day. The next day came here and had a push. This guy has already touched this 200 moving average, so we'll be looking for setup around this point. On the 15 minutes time frame, it's downtrending. So on the 5 minutes time frame, it's downtrending. So we are looking for setup around here. So at this point now, the market gave us a straight push up. So we cannot use this here as our low. You understand? So we wait for the market to give us a different low. Market gave us this low. Yeah, this low. But this low is not really proper low, so that's why it didn't break up here. Understand? So that's why I didn't look down at it. So let's assume these are low. These are low. And we'll have to wait for the market to break this low before we take entries. Understand? So look at the market pushed up, came down, it was dangling up. We are not looking for price, we are looking for sales. And look at where the market broke this guy. At this point, the day is almost off around 3 something. I was not having the feeling to take this trade, so I'm not sure I'm not going to take this trade. See, but even if I take it and put my stop loss here, this would have given me proper risk to reward. But I just don't like having too much drawdowns on my trade, so I let it go. So let's see another trading opportunity, another beautiful day. So at this point, the 15 minutes time frame is still downtrending. If you want us to check it, you can check it. It's still downtrending. Then on the 5 minutes time frame, this guy is still downtrending. So I'll find a spot. I'll take this guy. This is my zone. Look for this gave us a high, low, high, low, high. See, it broke this. See, this high broke this. This one broke this guy. That's a structure. That this means it validates this low. You understand? So this is my low. So I'm looking for entries around this zone. When it breaks here, okay. Then this guy break here. Look at, I take a trade around here. Bring my stop loss. It's not going to, like, even if it does, then you just, it is what it is. Look at, if I reach 1:4, it's going to give me mine. You see it? 1:4. Then if you leave a runner, you can come down here. You understand? So this is how I find trades. If you keep going on and on, see that the market is, get what you want. Just get the little pips and move out of the market. Unless you're a swing trader. I don't know how swing traders do theirs, but I'm not a swing trader. I'm a day trader. I find one good setup in a day, take it and move on. This is how I take my trades. Most of the times, I either use this, I can just look at this guy as my indication, correction, continuation. You understand? Then I'll take, it's still the same, I'll still take trade here. According to my previous videos, you can see this guy as indication, correction, continuation, like the ICC trading style, not ICT, ICC. Trade by side. That guy is a genius. I really love the way he trade. So this is it. Let's not just make this video long. This is how I see the market. So those zone I draw on the 4-hour time frame, it's not that I mostly use it. I just use it as, sometimes I use it as to know where the market is going. You know, where I can take my TPs, even if I ride this trend now. I don't know if there's a zone. I don't think I have a zone down there. So this is it. Let's not just make this video long.